Understanding the power requirements of Vortex mixers is crucial for ensuring that your laboratory can meet the operational conditions needed for these devices. Let's explore the key aspects of power requirements to consider: voltage and frequency. Most Vortex mixers operate on standard household voltage, typically 110/120 V or 222/40 V AC, with a frequency of 50 or 60 Hz. It's important to verify the voltage and frequency compatibility with your local electrical system. Power cord and plug types. Check the type of power cord and plug that comes with the Vortex mixer. Ensure that it matches the outlet configuration in your laboratory. Amperage and wattage. Vortex mixers consume relatively low amperage, usually ranging from 0.5 to 1.5 amps. The wattage depends on the model and can range from 50 to 200 watts. Knowing the wattage helps estimate the energy consumption and plan for adequate power supply. Surge protection. Consider using surge protectors or uninterruptible power supplies (UPS) to safeguard the Vortex mixer from voltage spikes and fluctuations that could damage the motor or electronic components. Grounding. Ensure that the Vortex mixer is properly grounded to prevent electrical hazards. Grounding also protects sensitive electronic components from static discharge. By understanding these power requirements, you can ensure that your laboratory is equipped to support the safe and efficient operation of Vortex mixers. This information is essential for maintaining the integrity of your experiments and protecting your investment in laboratory equipment. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.